Well, we have a question here that says, question 3. The question says the first three terms of an arithmetic sequence are -1, 2, and 5. Now, question 3.1 says determine the nth term, Tn of the sequence. Well, I'm gonna write question here 3.1. Okay, the terms are given. So 3.1, we want what? The nth term, we want Tn. We are looking for Tn. Okay. First, we're going to find the constant difference, okay? Because the terms are like 1, -1, 2, and then 5. Okay, let's find the constant difference. We can notice we do 2 minus 1, and that's equal to 3. And then 5 minus 2 equal to also 3. So there's a constant difference of 3. Now we can just say, okay, Tn will be equal to 3n, and then we say to ourselves, if we have 3, how, if we have a number 3, how can we get -1? So we can only get -1 if we minus by 4. So if we minus 4, that's Tn. Or else someone can write, okay, Tn is given by a plus n minus 1 times d. We can start substituting the values. Okay, Tn will be then a, the first term, which is -1, plus n minus 1 times d. D is 3. If we extend this, that will be -1 plus 3n minus 3. And then that will make 3n minus 4. Tn. Good. Now that was 3.1. 3.1. Now 3.2. The question says calculate T43. Well, T43. I'm gonna write here 2.2. We are looking for T43. This simply means the term where n is equal to 43. Okay, so we can just write T equal to 3n minus 4. Okay, T43 equal to 3 times 43 minus 4. You can do that by the help of a calculator. And then this will be 3 times 43 minus 4. And that's equal to 125. That makes Tn, T43 equal to 125. And now the following question is evaluate the sum of Tk, excuse me, k starting from 1 to n in terms of n. Now I'm gonna move my board this way. That's not straight. Okay, 3.3. So we are looking for the sum of Tk, k starting from 1 to n. Okay, in terms of n. Now the sum is just, okay, this formula here is this notation, the sigma notation is just the sum. So we can write it like the formula for the sum is given by Sn equal to n over 2 open square bracket 2a plus n minus 1 times d. Okay, so now we can just substitute. Then Sn will be equal to n over 2 2a, which is the first term here, is -1. Okay, I'm gonna write first n minus 1 times d. Sub in the values, a is -1, and then d is just 3, and then this will be n over 2. That makes -2 plus 3n minus 3, and that makes n over 2 3n minus 5. Okay, and then if I times say Sn will be equal to 3/2n squared, 3/2n squared minus 5/2n. So that's Sn. That's Sn, but I prefer to write the sigma notation of okay, the sum of Tk, and I mean k starting from 1 to n will be equal to 3/2n squared, okay, minus 5/2n. That's the sum in the sigma notation. Well, we have another question. Question 3.4. To move like this. 3.4. The question says that a quadratic sequence with general term Tn has the following properties. Okay, T11 equal to 125, Tn equal to Tn minus 1 equal to 3n minus 4. Now the question says determine the first term of the sequence. So I'm gonna move my board this way. Okay, we're going to do question 3.4. So we are looking for the first term of the quadratic sequence. All right. Okay, I prefer to reread the question again. It's kind of interesting question. The tougher it is, the interesting question is. It is said that a quadratic sequence with general term Tn has the following properties: T11 equal to 125, Tn minus 1 equal to 3n minus 4. Determine the first term of the sequence. Okay, so we're looking for T1, and then it is given that T11 is equal to 125, and also that Tn minus 1 equal to 3n minus 4. Okay, what can we do? They say this is a quadratic sequence. This means Tn equal to an squared plus bn plus c, because it is a quadratic sequence. Now, T11 implies that we have like an squared plus bn plus c. Okay, T11 will be, it means that we substitute 11 wherever we have n. Okay, so this will be 121a plus 11b plus c, and then T11 itself has the value of 125. So we can call it like equation 1. We can call it equation 1. Now, what else can we do? We can also find Tn minus 1 here. If we substitute, because there must be a quadratic pattern. So I can write, I know Tn will be this. Tn will just be an squared plus bn plus c, and then but Tn minus 1, then this will be okay, I'm gonna write the formula first. So Tn minus 1 will be n minus 1 here, and then n minus 1 there. Then so I want to say here Tn minus 1 will be equal to a open bracket. Now I'm gonna expand this already. So you're going to do n minus 1 times n minus 1, okay? And then expand it, but I know what the answer must be over here. This will be n squared minus 2n plus 1. If you expand that part, note that you cannot do n squared minus 1 squared, okay? Plus b n minus 1 plus c. And then this will be an squared minus 2an plus a, okay? Because over here we do this times that, and times that one, and then this also and that will be plus bn minus b, and then plus c. So this is, I call this equation number 2, and then equation number 3. Now with equation 2 and 3, we can do then 2 minus 3. Okay, let's do here equation 2 minus equation 3. So this makes this is just tn minus tn minus 1. This will be what? Check this out. We have like I'm gonna underline like terms. Okay, we have like an squared here and then an squared there, because you're minusing the 2, the 4. Okay, and then we also have bn here and then bn there. This also will cancel out. Cancel this and that. So cancel also bn and bn there. And then what next? We have c, and then c there, c minus c. We can also cross this out. And then the difference will be just negative 2n. Careful. Negative here will make a positive 2an. Okay, because we're doing this equation minus that equation. Maybe I should write it. I should write it over here like this, so we can all see clearly. I'm gonna do it like this over here. We do have tn equal to an squared plus bn plus c, and then we have also tn minus 1 equal to an squared, okay, minus 2an plus a plus bn minus b plus c. Now we are going to do a tn minus. Now we're going to do tn minus n minus 1. This will be okay. We do this equation 2 minus equation 3. So this is equation 2, that's equation 3. So we're gonna do an squared minus an squared. Okay, so these two false, and then we have bn and then bn, they also fall, and then c 4. So over here we have left with 0 minus. Okay, so 0 minus 2an, that will be positive 2an. This will make positive 2an, and then 0 minus b will make a positive. Okay, 0 minus a will be minus a, and then 0 minus b will make positive b. So remember tn minus 1 is also equal to 3n minus 4. This is what was given. Okay, here this tn minus 1 equal to 3n minus 4. We can also, so we have like this equal to that, because it's a simultaneous equation, right? But now what can you do? You will notice that this term ends with n, so this must be equal to 3n. So we can just say 2a equal to 3, and we have like a negative a plus b. This must be equal to negative 4. Now we can work out the value of a if we divide both sides by 2, okay? And then this will be a equal to 3 over 2. And then we got a, and then we can find b if I substitute the value of a. So negative a plus b equal to negative 4. So a is 3 over 2. That will be negative 3 over 2 plus b equal to negative 4. I can move the negative 3 over 2 over. That makes b equal to negative 4 plus 3 over 2. B will be equal to negative 4 plus 3 over 2 is like, that's going to be a negative 5 over 2, okay? Because it's negative 5 over 2. Let's check in the calculator. Negative 4 plus, oops, negative 4 plus 3 over 2. Yes, this negative 5 over 2. Now we got the value of b. Then we can say, therefore, we can find Tn now. Tn will be, which is given by n squared plus bn plus c, as a formula I said there in red. We can substitute the values of a and b. A is 3 over 2, okay? N squared plus b, so minus 5 over 2n. And then it's just c that I didn't get. Okay, I need to find c. Let's write plus c. Now, if we have like previously we work out, we had like T11. It means T11 will be equal to 3 over 2 n squared minus 5 over 2 n plus c. 11 there, and then T11 is equal to 125. That's what it was given like that. T11 was equal to 125. Okay, I sub in its value 125 equal to we can work out this part in the calculator. So we can write 3 open brackets, actually 3 over 2. (11) all to the power of 2, okay, minus 5 over 2 times 11, and then this is equal to 154. And then I'm right here 154 plus c. So if I move 154 on the other side, we'll get like c will be equal to negative 29. If you move, yeah. Then let's check. Minus 125. Okay, 29, but it will be negative if I move it over. So that means, therefore, Tn can be written as 3 over 2 n squared minus 5 over 2n plus, actually, minus 29. Then we can find 1. If we sub in the value of 1 there, okay, the equation will be 3 over 2. Open bracket 1 close bracket there minus 5 over 2 open bracket times 1 close there minus 29, and then hit equal. Yes, T1 equal to negative 30. Let me go over it a little bit one more time. First of all, okay, we had a question here. Now I write my, because this said a quadratic sequence, I write my formula for quadratic sequence over here. Now T11 is equal to 125. So if I substitute the value there of 11, I have this equation here, equation 1. Now Tn is given by this, and then Tn minus 1 is that. So I just expand Tn minus 1, I have equation 3. So this Tn is equation 2, Tn minus 1 equation 3 here. Then next, I just do equation 2 minus equation 1, okay? Actually, equation 2 minus equation 3, minus equation 3. Now, when we minus, be careful here, because of the sign, we cross this, and then an squared and n squared cancel, bn and bn, c and c. Now, there is 0 here now, 0 minus 2, 0 minus 2an makes positive 2an, 0 minus a makes negative a, 0 minus b makes positive b here, the difference. And then from there we can, because we knew it was given that tn minus 1 equal to 3n minus 4, this simply implies that 2a is equal to 3, and then negative a plus b is just equal, those are the constants, okay, equal to negative 4 there. And then, so negative a plus b equal to negative 4. So we equate also these two. Then we work out the value of a, and then it helps us find the value of b. Now that you have a and b, we can substitute now in this equation, equation 1, in order to find, we have a and b, to find this, in order to find c. Now I submit over there, okay, in 1, and then we got the value of c, which is negative 29. Then we can write the equation, the quadratic equation, and then we can find t1 if we sub in the value of 1 here, wherever we have n, and then we get t1 equal to negative 30. Thank you.